Hi, all of you. I am Vijay Krishna Seier, Senior Software Developer and Trainer. Today I am going to discussing about how to uninstall Visual Studio 2019 Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if it is a professional, enterprise level or community version, all are having same process. So now I am going to control panel. So here already control panel is open. So in this control panel, go to programs. Here click on programs and features. In this you can able to find out Visual Studio 2019 community. So here I am select this and click on uninstall. Then click on yes. So then it will directly open to the Visual Studio installer. So whatever you want, add any extra features or uninstall Visual Studio, all these things we can go through with this Visual Studio installer. So now I am click on OK. Click on not now. I don't want survey. It will going to uninstall. Uninstallation is successfully done. Now close this Visual Studio installer. Here I am going to type Visual Studio. See, Visual Studio 2019 is not available here, so it will successfully uninstalled. So here some other components of Visual Studio is available here. So do you want to remove these things also? Here select this, any one of these, and uninstall. Click on uninstall.
And there is no replacement, a body by Seier. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space, coming closer for a taste. And I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
So in this way we can uninstall Visual Studio. Thank you very much. See you soon. We will meet in the next video. The next video we will going to discussing about how to install Visual Studio 2022.